The question is, the bearing of village A from village B is 150 degrees as shown in the diagram. Okay, the bearing of village A from village B is 155 degrees as shown in the diagram. So we can take time, since we have already studied the diagram, we can take time again and look at the diagram. Okay, now we can see the bearing, we can see the north, and we can see village A and village B. Okay, now the question is, find the bearing of village B from village A. Okay, so there basically I've shown you already the first method. The second one is this one. Okay, so what we're going to do the same thing we did. We're going to draw the north line. Once we have drawn the north line, then we are going to identify the bearing of village B from village A, and that is the bearing. I'm sure you're aware of it. Then the next thing we're going to do is, now we are going to first use the property of angles on the straight line, or angles on a straight line add up to 180, or a straight line angle is equal to 180 degrees. A straight line angle is equal to 180 degrees. So that means this angle, the one I've put in purple, that angle is 180 degrees. That is 180 degrees. That just that angle on the north line, that one adds up to 100, is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now once we have done that, then the next one is we are remaining with this angle here, the one I've put in brown, this angle here, the one remaining. How do we find this angle? So to find this angle, we're going to use the property which is alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. That means this angle is equal to this angle, which is 155 degrees. This angle is alternate to this angle, which I'll call Y. This angle Y is alternate angle to angle 150 degrees. Okay, so if they are alternate angles, that means they are also equal. So meaning this angle Y is also equal to 150 degrees. Okay, now as you can see, the entire bearing was divided into two parts. We had this one, which is angle on a straight line, and we also have this alternate angle. So both of the two angles, both these two angles, when you add them up, they are going to make the full bearing of village B from village A. So what we can do now to find the bearing of these of village B from village A, what we need, we just have to add these two angles. So we say 180 degrees plus 155 degrees, which will give us 335 degrees. Now, when you look at this, the answer I've gotten 335 degrees, this is the similar answer I got in the earlier method. Okay, so they can be different methods, but they will also give you the same answers. Okay, so you can choose between the two, the one which is easier for you, and that's the one you can use. If you have got questions, please you can ask in the comment section. Basically, that's how you find the answer for that one.